Got one of these U-Haul $19.95 a day in town plus mileage, so it's like $1 a mile. Got to move across town here. Things you want to know: easy to drive so far. I drove it over here. It's like a pickup truck. It's pretty easy. No ramp. And here's what I'll give you a measurement inside of here. So you do have these little bumps on your cargo space, and then the box itself for space here is right at 10 foot. Depends on where I'm hitting on the 9/11. And then height wise to that roll up door, we're looking at 5'8". And then width, we'll go from these little wood planks, 6'5". These little wood pieces here you can strap around to strap your stuff across. And let's take a look inside. Got radio, heat. Looks like got AC. 2 seats. You got a little spot here. You can put a cooler or something like that. But pretty basic. You're not able to tilt these seats back, but I think these are really designed for in town. Some people take them cross country, but it could be done. It's not too bad. Pretty easy to drive. Boom.